Have you ever woken up and wondered, what was that dream all about? Maybe you were flying through the clouds, or perhaps you were being chased by something terrifying. We all dream, but have you ever stopped to ask why? Are these dreams glimpses into the future, or is it just our brains playing games while we sleep? Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of dreams. What actually happens when we sleep? We often think that when we fall asleep, our brains shut off to rest. That's actually a myth. In reality, your brain is sometimes even more active at night than it is during the day. Sleep is generally divided into two main stages. Deep sleep, when your body repairs itself. REM, rapid eye movement, sleep. This is the stage where your eyes move rapidly behind your lids, and it's exactly when our most vivid dreams happen. Scientific theory number 1, memory consolidation. So, why does this happen? Scientists have a few major theories. The first is memory processing. Throughout the day, we see, hear, and learn countless things. At night, the brain sorts through that data. Think of it like organizing files on a computer. As your brain decides what to keep and what to delete, the images that flash by are what we experience as dreams. Scientific theory number 2, emotional regulation. The second reason involves emotional control. If you felt angry, stressed, or scared during the day, your brain plays with those emotions at night. It rehashes these feelings to help you practice how to handle them. This is often why we dream about the things that scare us the most. Common dreams and their meanings. There are a few universal dreams that almost everyone has experienced. Falling. This often suggests you feel a loss of control in your life or that you're feeling insecure about a situation. Being chased. This usually means you're trying to avoid a problem in your real life instead of facing it head-on. Failing an exam. Even years after graduating, people dream about this. It typically represents a lack of self-confidence or feeling unprepared for a new challenge. Why do we forget dreams so fast? It's frustrating, isn't it? You have an epic dream, but within 5 minutes of waking up, 90% of it is gone. This is because our brains aren't wired to store dreams as long-term memories. The moment you wake up, your brain clears out those temporary files to make room for the new day ahead. Final thoughts. Even today, dreams remain one of science's greatest unsolved mysteries. Whether they are clues about the future or just neurons firing in the dark, they make our lives a lot more interesting. Pay attention to what you dream about tonight. If you enjoyed learning about the world of sleep, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you liked this video, hit that like button. Have a great day.